Angelo Zino, Senior Equity Analyst, CFRA, and Ivan Feinseth, Senior Partner, Chief Investment Officer, Director of Research at Tigris Financial Partners. Thank you both for being with us. Angelo, would you say this is the Stargate rally, and what really is the excitement part of it?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if I'd call this a Stargate rally, but I think overall it's good news. I mean, what I've told people is I think it's very symbolic in a lot of ways, in the sense that, hey, listen, everyone benefits to an extent from it. You've got the administration that wants to create more jobs, and this is going to help create more jobs. You've got Sam Altman. This has been a vision of his for over a year now, as far as kind of the Stargate vision, and kind of creating a ton more compute capacity into the market, and you're going to see that. And clearly you're going to get some great partnerships that develop here with the likes of Oracle and even OpenAI, strengthening their relationship and what have you. So I think there are going to be a number of winners here. Clearly, the question mark is going to be how big does this actually get to? We've heard about the $100 billion in funding. Do we actually get to $500 billion? Is kind of really the main question out there. But I think more importantly here is the fact that, hey, listen, AI is real. We need to see kind of the demand on the other side of this to even think about something getting to $500 billion in nature. But overall, I think the news is very good and bullish for AI investors out there.
Right. Trump calling this the largest AI infrastructure project in history. A lot of people say this was a long time coming. It was overdue, et cetera. Ivan, do you agree?
Absolutely. I think this is really exciting on many levels. As I've been saying for a long time, every company is going to be an AI company. AI is going to help improve things from supply chains to detecting disease and creating cures for disease. So there's a lot of opportunity. I think there is a lot of money available. I don't think there's anybody who wouldn't want, on some level, in on this. And the first part is to build out the infrastructure to support the data centers that we need. So you're going to have land and buildings, and also sources of power and backup power and water for cooling. So there's a lot of opportunity on so many levels as we build this infrastructure. Well, everybody thinks about the processors needed, and NVIDIA is going to benefit from that. And as we evolve to quantum computing, this is a tremendous opportunity on the tech side, but it's also a tremendous opportunity on the physical infrastructure side, as far as connectivity and communications, and again, power and water and land. So this is a huge project, and we are going to be in the space race, if you will, with China to be a winner in this development of these technologies.
And to be a leader in AI, you got to make big investments, and you said you want to be a part of it. Ivan, I mean, would you buy into Oracle, Microsoft, ARM, NVIDIA, and so on?
Absolutely. And then some of the ancillary plays, companies like LandBridge and Texas Pacific Land, are going to be tremendous beneficiaries of this. In fact, the first data centers that are being announced are going to be built in Texas. And there's opportunity there for land, for construction, for power, for water. So this is going to touch so many facets. It's going to benefit a company like Caterpillar, for example, because they make generators that supply backup power to these data centers. And then, of course, they make the construction equipment that you need to then start to build the foundations and the buildings for that will house the data centers.
Right. Angelo, you have buys on Microsoft and Oracle, don't you?
Yeah, we do. I mean, we actually, Oracle's actually a recent upgrade to a buy. We actually liked it on the pullback. We took the opportunity to kind of upgrade the stock. I mean, I think really kind of Oracle might be the biggest winner from this entire kind of announcement, if you're looking specifically at just the announcement. And when you kind of think about it, right, Microsoft kind of lost its designation as the exclusive provider of the compute capacity out there for OpenAI, in conjunction with the announcement that we saw with Stargate. And I think that's important because that also gives Oracle an opportunity to kind of strengthen their relationship out there with OpenAI. Oracle also has developed over the last year and a half to 2 years very strong relationships with the other hyperscalers out there. So Oracle is positioned extremely well here on their infrastructure business. We think, now only 17% of their revenue. We think potentially kind of doubles here over the next 2 years, that it's growing the top line about 50%. So Oracle specifically, we think, is a big winner, and Microsoft, clearly also going to be a big winner. But when you look at 25, 26, what we've told investors out there is we think these are going to be the years of agentic AI. And as a result, you do want to shift more of your money towards some of these software plays, not exclusively, on this chip plays that we've been recommending the last 2 years.
All right, we're out of time. I guess I can't really talk about Sam Altman and Elon Musk and what goes back and forth with the drama and whether or not it's just noise, but we'll leave that conversation, I guess, for next time. Angelo Zino, Senior Equity Analyst at CFRA, and Ivan Feinseth, Senior Partner Chief Investment Officer, Tigris Financial Partners. Thank you both for being with us.